Sherry, you got a sweet, very well-mannered young lady here, huh?
I do. This is Miss Ladybird, and we think she looks to be fairly young, maybe 2 to 3 years old. She was found at the movie theater, and no one ever came to claim her. So now she needs a home. She's very sweet. I think she definitely has a lot of lab in her. Yes, you do.
Well, she seems very calm and very much aims to please.
She does. I think she walks well on a leash. She takes her treats very gentle. Yeah. She's a beautiful color.
Yes, she is. And she wants to be right with you.
She does.
Sherry, she's walking great on her lead, isn't she?
She sure is.
Wow. I don't know why. I just somehow knew she would. She just wants to be with you. Yeah, she looks like maybe a yellow lab, doesn't she?
She sure does.
Yeah.
She wants to have a lot of lab.
And we know about that great lab disposition. They are sweet dogs.
Very loyal.
Very loyal.
She looks to be about 40 pounds, and I don't think she's going to get much bigger.
She's inquisitive. Those ears pop up when something's going on. Hey, baby, kisses? Yeah, little gentle kisses. Seems like a gentle dog. Yeah, think she'd be good with a family?
Absolutely. Do you give kisses?
She was giving me little butterfly kisses there. There we go. Thank you. What a sweet girl. So I guess we don't know if she's house trained.
No, we don't know much about her.
Yeah.
But I think she could easily learn, if not. Yes.
Very affectionate. And she looks like her weight's pretty good, so she must not have been stray for too long, huh?
Nope.
Aw, at the movie theater. Golly. Well, she's a great attraction. She is. She's going to be a star for you, we really think.
Yeah.
So please come see her. She's Ladybird. And she is at the Nassau Humane Society, 671 Airport Road in Fernandina Beach. Aw. Right across the street from the airport. Sherry, you've got a friend here.
I do.
Please come see Ladybird.